Hi everyone, my name is Faith Lily and today we'll be talking about one of my favorite products on the market, Sunbum Sunscreen. Are you someone who's extremely concerned about coral reef conservation, your skin, and also want to have a great summer? Well, this product is amazing and perfect for you. Sunbum Sunscreen is essential for summer and one of the best products on the market. I've used it for 6 years now and I swear by it. It is my favorite sunscreen. I have really pale skin and I also have skin cancer that runs in my family, so sunscreen is really important to me and something I use year round. It is the only sunscreen product I use today and have used for the past 6 years. Today we'll be talking about the benefits that Sunbum has on your skin, the environment, and the overall experience of this product. According to the Effects of Sunscreen on Your Skin in Skin Cancer and Photoaging article, skin cancer is one of the most frequently occurring cancers in white Caucasians, and it can be associated with high rates of death. So let's try to avoid all those nasty things. And I know sunburns and skin cancer still affect other skin tones as well, so sunscreen is important for everyone. So Sunbum primarily sells mineral sunscreen products, and that's the best you can get. Like, it is the best type of product for any skin type. In an article from Beyond Sun Protection by Eric Bernstein, he states that in contrast to chemical sunscreens, mineral and physical sunscreens are designed to reflect, scatter, and absorb solar radiation. These products are often formulated with titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Mineral sunscreens also protect your skin from UVA and UVB light, so they are full spectrum sunscreens. This is in contrast to chemical sunscreens that absorb UV light. Chemical sunscreens don't reflect sunlight at all. It absorbs into your skin and it tries to combat it. So mineral sunscreen is the best you can get, honestly. I have 2 pictures down here to describe what UVB and UV light rays are, and then I have another picture here that shows the purple arrows are demonstrating mineral sunscreens, and the red is demonstrating chemical sunscreens on your skin. So how does this product affect our coral reefs? An article by Chemistry in Australia quoted Dr. Craig Downs in this article, and he states that the use of oxybenzone products needs to be seriously deliberated in islands and areas where coral reef conservation is a critical issue. We have lost over 80% of coral reefs in the Caribbean, and this was written in 2016, so it has gotten a lot more, and it's all around the world now. Sunbum sunscreen does not contain oxybenzone and is legal in most island states like Hawaii. An article written by, what's her name? Kariana Hosiwaka states that Sunbum is one of the best reef-safe sunscreens that there is, and she also states that the sunscreen is a fan favorite. So, what is the overall experience like with this product? Sunbum just glides onto your skin and doesn't leave a white cast, which is really nice if you want to have the look of your tan still and also protect your skin. It also you have several types to choose from in the line, and it's not the only product they sell. They don't just sell sunscreen, which is really beneficial. Sunbum is your one-stop shop to sunscreen. Overall, it's amazing. So you can get tanning sunscreens, you can get normal sunscreens, face sunscreens, full spectrum sunscreens. You can get full zinc sunscreens that are the big white ones that it just leaves white streaks on your face, and it's like the most protection you can get. It has a coconut scent in almost all of the products except for the facial products because scent usually messes with people's faces. And they have offered SPF 70, 50, 30, and 50. They also have products for your face, hair, and tanning, which is really nice. So I hope today you have a better understanding of Sunbum sunscreen and are really excited for this summer. This product will absolutely make your 2021 summer perfect. Thank you guys for listening.